Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away.
Hello guys, welcome back to another upgrade. Today I'm going to replace the turn signals on my bike with something that goes a little bit better with the carbon covers that I installed in my last video. If you haven't seen that video, you can click on the top right corner of the screen and see it there. So I'm going to replace the turn signals with these babies. These are LED lights. I got them from the Fili Motor, and as always I've left you the link in the description below. I've tried these lights before this video and they look awesome, but now I'm going to install them and see how they look on the bike. Alright, let's begin. If you don't know how to remove the front part of the bike, you can also see the tutorial by clicking on the top right corner of the screen. So the turn signal is hooked with 3 screws only. Remove those and then you'll be able to remove the light. This has been broken for a while now. My first accident I had to change a few parts, but this looked okay to me, hanging on 2 screws instead of 3, so I didn't pay for a new one. Installing the turn signal is simple, nothing to it. Install it on a stand and put the 3 screws back in their places. I'm going to cut the blue wire because it's useless. You can go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. And as always, be careful, don't tighten the screws more than you need to. And now for the most important part, and that is changing the relay. This relay comes with the turn signals, and if you don't replace it, the signals will not blink. They will turn on and stay on. In my next video I'm going to change the tail lamp. I'm going to replace it with an LED tail lamp. They also require this relay, so be careful. If you don't change the relay, you risk burning your lights. Okay, now let's turn them on. Beautiful, absolutely amazing. I love these lights. The originals are so boring and so ugly, and these are 100 times better. As I've told you, I've seen them before, but now that they're on the bike, they look amazing. Same thing at night. I need a better camera for the night. The camera is not showing what they really look like at night. Let's see if I can take a few pictures with a pro camera. Many thanks for the Fili Motor. As always, he's providing me with these awesome accessories. The quality and the prices of his products are excellent so far. And don't forget that you get 5% discount just by mentioning the name of my channel. So make sure you include the name of my channel in a message before you pay for your stuff. After they see your message, they will reply and change the price of the products you chose. As always, I've included the product link and all the details in the description below. I thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful. Stay tuned for more and I'll see you next time.